Hello and good morning, and thank you for tuning in to another JVIR Minute. I am Rajat Chand, and I am here with Dr. Joseph Erinjeri from the Memorial Sloan Kettering Institute in New York. And in the in-classroom session this morning entitled Research in New Horizons in Oncology, Dr. Erinjeri gave a talk entitled
Ablation and Immunotherapy, Potential for Synergy.
And Dr. Erinjeri, it was a great talk, and I think my favorite line from your talk was, the IRs are the antigen guys. And if you don't mind, if you could just give us a quick few takeaway points, some of the key things to note from your talk.
Sure. Basically, when you think about making a vaccine, whether it's a vaccine to virus or whether it's a vaccine to cancer cells, you need three things. You need antigen, you need T cells, and you need an immune stimulating drug. And it's fortunate that for the vaccines that are given now for hepatitis or for other diseases, you actually don't need the immune stimulating drug. You can get away with just antigen and T cells. That the T cells are obviously already in the body. But for cancer, you need this additional immune stimulating drug. So we have, as interventionalists, we have a couple of places where we can impact the development of cancer vaccines. One is, we're the antigen guys. We kill tumor tissue and we leave raw, unabrogated antigen within the body. So that antigen could come from an RFA, it could come from an EMBO, it could come from a cryo, it could come from alcohol injection. But this is a ton of tumor antigen that's available to the immune system to recognize and hopefully find cancer cells. The second thing is, we're doing these therapies and we can partner with medical oncologists who are already using immune stimulating drugs to treat cancer. So it's kind of a great opportunity right now for IR to work with our immunologists and medical oncologists to find ways to really capitalize on immunotherapy.
Great. And another thing that you mentioned in your talk was, in the near future we're going to be hearing a lot about I forgot how you
checkpoint inhibitors.
Checkpoint inhibitors. Could you just really quick touch on that, if you don't mind?
Yeah, the final step of activating a T cell is this, it's called signal 2, but it's basically a verification step. Once a T cell becomes activated, it is a killing machine. It's going to kill whatever it has been programmed to recognize. And so checkpoint inhibitors unleash and unmask the real potent killing potential of these CD8 T cells, which are the ones that I call the Top Gun T cells.
Got it. Well, Dr. Erinjeri, thank you again so much for your talk. It was a lot of rich information, and thanks again for your time.
My pleasure.
Okay. My name is Rajat Chand, and I'm signing out from SIR in Atlanta 2015. Thanks.